Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this box, I have the TR2 Pro rotary roller from TwoTrees. So let's open up this box and see what comes inside. Okay, just a plain old brown box, nothing fancy. And we got the typical packaging from TwoTrees. We have a manual, I think. Yes, it is. Very nice manual. Okay, so we have some brackets, some grabbers to grab, chuck spanner ×2, lots of little stuff, stainless steel axis ×3, some wrenches, some bolts, some little nuts. Oh man, all sorts of goodies. Looks like some belts, some cables. Oh nice, this is no joke. Wow, very cool. We'll set it on there so that it doesn't get wrecked. Oh, what is this? Don't know, we'll find out. Oh, this is pretty nice. Some nice little bearings in there. Oh, there's more. How do I get this out? Okay, looks like a little suction cup thing that spins. That's neat. We have the rotary roller itself. This is nice. First, take that out. First impressions, this is pretty cool. It's all metal. There is very little plastic parts in it, so. And that's in there, good. Nice. And I think I have everything out. So this is what it looks like, assembled. Now it's kind of neat. I like it. It's very versatile and it can do a lot of different things. So it has rollers here for rolling cylindrical objects like coffee mugs and cups and baseball bats. And if you are going to do a baseball bat, you can remove this chuck. I'll show you how to do that later in the video. And you use this little roller tree stand thing to support the other end of your bat. And you can engrave it, which I think is pretty cool. And that's something I'd like to try. I think custom engraving baseball bats could be a profitable thing. Now you may be wondering what these little rods are for, and it's for engraving things like rings and stuff like that, like wedding rings, and I don't have my wedding ring on me right now. It's too much of a commitment. So I'm using a piece of tape, and all you do is you just bring those spanners out, I guess if you want to call that, until it's tight. And they come with these two little wrenches if you want to make sure you get a good tension on that. And that is not going to budge. And then you can engrave whatever you want to say on there. And when you're done, just loosen it up. You can slide it off, put your next one on, and keep going. And say you have like a round ball or something like that you want to engrave, like this bulb, you can put in these little chuck teeth things. I don't even know what they're called, what the actual term is. And the little suction cup stand to help support the other end. And the way that goes on is with these two little nuts on here, and you just slide it onto this extruded aluminum. I think I gotta loosen it a little bit. And then you just tighten her down, like so. Okay, I'm gonna put the little teeth grabber things in there and I'll show you how that works. And that is how you would grip something round like a baseball or an ornament like this, and it can spin it around and engrave it as it needs to. To remove the chuck, it's super easy. First of all, you want to take out the object that's in here. Just gonna do that by opening up the chuck, and I think the ball should just come out. Yep. Now I'm gonna remove this little suction cup stand. Comes off pretty easy. And I'm gonna close my chuck all the way. And underneath the chuck. It's kind of hard to show in video, but there's a little thumb screw. Just loosen that off. Slide, make sure you slide it forward towards the pulley. Take the belt off. And then you're going to want to take that thumb screw all the way out. And that's what it looks like. Pop it out. Put that away for safekeeping. Don't lose it. And that's how you take it off. Now you could take this off if you want to, but I don't see a reason to. It's not in the way of anything else that's going to happen while you're engraving. Something long like a baseball bat where you would use this little tree that you can raise or lower accordingly. There's 3 different thumb screws on here. The first one here, it allows you, there's one on the front and back, there's one here that allows you to bring the roller in or away depending on the object that you have. Say for if you want to do a mug like so. And then this knob here, it adjusts the belt tension. And this is the wire that you plug into your Z-axis. It comes with the main lead that plugs into it, and then has an adapter. And it comes with another adapter too if you have a different setup for a different laser, because this will work with other lasers from what I've seen. And you just plug it in and you're good to go. Now, I really wanted to show you guys how this thing works. And I use Lightburn and I couldn't figure out how to get it set up. And there is no manual for it, and I have to watch some YouTube videos, I guess, on how to do this. But due to time commitments and stuff, this video needs to get out, so I'm just showing an unboxing and everything that comes with and how you could use it. I know I'm gonna figure it out eventually, but this is a very busy time of year for me. And maybe in the new year, when I have some more time on my hands, I'll figure out how to use this, and maybe I'll make another video later on showing it working. So if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, there'll be a link in the description. So that is it for this video, and if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video, and like always, we'll see you in the next one.